Ah, the joys of parenthood. But what's the stuff nobody tells you about having kids? Today, we're unearthing those little-known parenting truths that might just surprise you. Number 1, sleep. What's that? Sure, you've heard of sleepless nights. But did anyone mention it can stretch into sleepless months, or even years? Next up, say goodbye to privacy. Whether it's the bathroom, shower, or just a quiet moment, your new shadow, your kiddo, is always around. And oh, the judgment. Everyone suddenly has an opinion on how you should raise your child. But amidst these curveballs, there's this undeniable magic. That laughter, the I love yous, the way their tiny hands fit into yours. It's everything. Wishing there was a guidebook for this roller coaster? That's where we come in. With the Parenting Reinvented course, we dive deep, exploring these untold truths and offering strategies to navigate them. We're talking real tools for real challenges, folks. And if you're sitting there thinking, this is me, I need this, here's the cherry on top. Join us for a free on-demand class. How to unlock the secrets to a happy, stress-free family life. Even if the journey feels overwhelming now, we've got your back. So, are you ready to embrace the chaos, the magic, and everything in between? Let's redefine this incredible journey called parenting together.